You are uninteresting. I know it sounds kind of mean to say, but it's true. People don't spend time thinking about you or what you have to say. Why you're clicking on this video after all. There's something missing. You see people with influence all around you, but you can't tell what separates them from you. Now, what they have is they understand this fundamental truth that has been kept hidden from the majority. Guys like Andrew Tate, Sneeko, Trump, Hamza, and countless other thought leaders. They all have something in common that separates them from the average man. They understand how to psychologically manipulate people into thinking about them 24/7. They use a simple trick called polarization. They spread these ideas that make you either love them or hate them. They don't give you this option to have an in-between opinion on them because they share everything with such a strong view on it. Doing this, they are able to make this community from their followers. Excuse me. They activate this primal instinct of war in their followers by creating enemies, essentially, through these controversial opinions. This is why followers of these men are so deeply loyal. They are put into a psychological war against the haters of the man that they follow. You yourself can use this trick to gain influence over the people around you. What you really need to start doing is doing things that create strong emotional responses in people. This will immediately start to polarize them around you. Now, this will start putting people into two groups. It'll put people into a group that loves you and follows you and that is loyal to you, and a group that truly despises you. The truth about this is, you will lose people around you. Some people will not like what you have to say, and they will go against it. But it is worth it in the long run. People remaining around you and the people that come to you like a magnet because of this polarization will value your thought and what you truly bring to the table. They will become emotionally invested in you. They will start thinking about you over the days. They will you'll start to live in their head a little bit. You will have a strong amount of influence over them. They will become loyal to you because of this emotional investment. They will build you up as long as you continue to build them up with you. It's kind of like a give and take type of thing. They're going to help build you up through this, and you're going to help build them up. You're trading something essentially. What you are essentially doing with this is you're building a community of like minded people who really feel as if they, with you, are up against the world. They view you as their leader. You are the George Washington. You are the Alexander the Great. You're the Hercules of the group. You're the Captain America. You're the strong leader. You're the one that is pushing forward in this battle against the people that you have polarized against you. This is a type of community you're building. It's essentially a form of brainwashing, to be completely honest with you. So I urge you to use this as positive, use it for this positivity, put a good charge into the world instead of negative. But what I can tell you is it will give you influence over the minds of the people around you. You will start to have a little bit more control. You will be put up on a pedestal almost by your loyal followers, and you'll be looked at as just evil from everybody else. And it really builds a strong community, it builds a strong bond. And it's great. It's great to have this strong bond with the people around you. And a lot of people, the reason that they never reach great success is because they're scared of this, right? They are scared of this idea of people hating them and people not liking them. And you need to get rid of that fear. You have to get rid of that fear out of your system so you can start really building a strong community. Because leaders are people without fear of being looked down upon because they have this confidence with them that their ideas are good and that their ideas are positive and that they're building the people around them up. And this is why they're so incredibly influential. This will allow you to finally become the leader that you know you can be, I know you can be, that we all know you have ability and desire to be. That's why you're here, of course. If you're interested in hearing about how political leaders have really used this to get into power, because it's something we've seen a lot, go check out my last video. I'll have it pop up on the screen here in a second. It's a really good one breaking down how polarization has been used by political leaders. But that's going to be about it. I'm Ron Swanson. This has been Strange Investigations. I appreciate y'all coming. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. God bless.